Ever wondered how homeopathy could assist in common first aid situations? Homeopathy, a holistic system of medicine, approaches health and healing in a unique way. Instead of merely treating symptoms, it seeks to stimulate and strengthen the body's own defense mechanisms. This makes it a valuable tool in first aid where rapid response and effective treatment are key. So, what exactly is homeopathic first aid? Simply put, it involves the use of homeopathic remedies to address minor injuries and acute conditions. From cuts and scrapes to burns and puncture wounds, homeopathy offers a range of solutions that can be easily administered at home or on the go. This doesn't mean that homeopathy replaces conventional first aid. Rather, it complements it, offering a natural, non-invasive approach that can be integrated into your overall healthcare routine. Intrigued? Now let's dive into some common homeopathic remedies and their uses in first aid. Homeopathy offers a variety of first aid remedies for various situations. Let's dive into 6 common ones that you might find helpful. First up, we have Calendula. This remedy has a reputation for its ability to promote healing and prevent infection in wounds. You'll often find it in the form of a topical cream or ointment, making it a go-to for cuts, scrapes, and even minor burns. Next is Cantharis. This remedy is your friend when it comes to burns and scalds. It provides relief from that burning pain and can help prevent blistering, making it an essential part of any homeopathic first aid kit. Then we have Hypericum, often referred to as the arnica of the nerves. This remedy is particularly useful for injuries to areas rich in nerves, like fingers, toes, and the spine. Think nerve injuries, crush injuries, and puncture wounds. Ledum Pal is another remedy to keep in mind. It's effective for preventing infection and reducing pain from puncture wounds, including those from nails and splinters. But that's not all. It can also be a lifesaver for insect bites and animal bites. Rhus Tox is a remedy often used for sprains, strains, and rheumatic pains. It's especially helpful for pain and stiffness that improve with movement and worsen with rest. Finally, we have Symphytum, a remedy that promotes the healing of broken bones and reduces pain in injured bones. If you've got a bone fracture or an injury to the periosteum, Symphytum could be a game changer. Remember, the beauty of homeopathy is its holistic approach. Don't just consider the isolated injury or condition, look at the whole person and their symptoms. And of course, keep a homeopathic first aid kit handy, both at home and while traveling. These remedies can be incredibly useful for minor injuries, acute illnesses, and other urgent conditions. So don't wait for the next scrape, burn, or bite to catch you off guard. Be prepared with homeopathy. It's clear that homeopathy has a significant role in first aid. We've explored several remedies, from calendula's wound-healing properties to Symphytum's effectiveness for bone fractures. Each remedy offers a unique solution, catering to different types of injuries or acute conditions. It's not just about treating an isolated injury, but rather considering the individual's overall symptoms and health. Let's not forget the importance of being prepared. A homeopathic first aid kit can be a real game changer, providing immediate relief and promoting natural healing. It's a worthwhile addition to any home or travel bag. Remember, homeopathy embraces a holistic approach. It's not just about addressing the physical ailment, it takes into account the mental and emotional state too. This comprehensive approach can make a world of difference in recovery. By integrating homeopathic first aid remedies into your healthcare routine, you can address minor injuries and acute conditions effectively and naturally.